So what do India, Italy, El Salvador, and Afghanistan have in common? All of them have been building with the Algorand ecosystem. They set up HisabPay to become the only interoperable digital payments platform in Afghanistan. They support digital guarantees in Italy, and they have set up Algo Bharat in India. For those of you familiar with El Salvador adopting Bitcoin, it's Coinbase that delivers the government's blockchain infrastructure on Algorand. For those of you familiar with Algorand's price, you know it's not a get-rich-quick token, but it is an ecosystem that national governments are trusting with their data. The founder of Algorand is Silvio Macaulay, and he has stated that the goal for this platform is to connect the unconnected in the digital world. Silvio Macaulay took a look at Ethereum when it first came out and said, I can do something better. He won the Turing Award for his works in computer science. That's a $1 million prize. And he's been teaching comp sci at MIT since 1983. A lot of tech in blockchain that's being used by cutting-edge developers right now was invented or co-invented by Silvio Macaulay. When I mentioned Macaulay looking at Ethereum and saying he could make something better, this is what I'm talking about. Have scalability up to 10,000 transactions per second, block finalization in under 3 seconds. Take a look at the rest, pause to read. Especially the zero downtime since its launch in 2019. It has a 100% rate of success in transactions between blockchains. And they are the first layer 1 blockchain to use Python as a native programming language. But this post is for programmers, not price hunters. My goal is to grow the Algorand ecosystem by bringing its attention to developers, software engineers, and people who are just curious about blockchain. On Friday, April 26th at 2 p.m. Pacific Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I am going to be interviewing the CTO of Algorand, John Woods. I'll be asking questions like, how ahead is Algorand of quantum computing that could possibly break up a lot of cryptographic signatures? What dApps are in the ecosystem that are there for the average Joe? How is it more decentralized compared to the other blockchains? And aside from being carbon negative, what is it doing to make the world a better place? Are we going to see more things like the Marshall Islands having their digital currency powered with Algorand? Or implementing a decentralized healthcare network in Bermuda? If you guys have any questions that you'd like me to ask him, let me know. So if you're someone who's proficient in Python, if you're a coder, an engineer, or a developer, take a look at what Algorand has to offer, and if you want to be part of the ecosystem. Or even if you're someone who's thinking about getting into coding, I think Algorand has a great path for you. My name is the Geo Hussar, and out of the dozens of blockchains that I own, Algorand is one of them, but it's not my largest position. It's the only ecosystem where I would interview people on the team on this app. And while I get solicited quite often to push people's blockchains, the Algorand Foundation has never done that with me. In fact, months ago, I pursued them to speak with someone on their team. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. The purpose of this post was for education and entertainment. Thanks for watching.